Okay, traders, this will be a quick mic check on the dollar index, the 30-year treasury bonds, and the USDCC pair. If you look at the gap right here, you'll notice I've dropped a fib from the premium high to the discount low of the fair value gap between this candle's low and this candle's high. And I'm treating this as a measuring gap going into Wednesday and Thursday, meaning a return back into this range isn't necessary. And if the high of the week is already in place and we are going to be seeking the opposing PDR raise for the weekly in Washington and Q, then we should be reaching for the weekly BC, which are these blue lines respectively, weekly BC premium high and weekly BC discount low. BC is short for buy side imbalance, sell side inefficiency. Then we have the consequent encroachment, which is the midpoint of the weekly fair value gap or BC. And note how it falls right. It falls short of the three standard deviation of the measuring gap, which is basically three times the fair value gaps range. That's one times the range, twice the range. Okay, sorry, twice the range of the fair value gap. That's one, two, one, two, three. Three standard deviations. Twice the range of the measuring gap. So, as a draw on liquidity going into Wednesday and Thursday, we are looking for the premium high on the weekly BC, then the consequent encroachment of the weekly BC. I'm calling for 101.50 or 101.55 on the dollar index. USDCC, we have the 12-month lows in focus, which is 0.8550. If you look back from the month of December all the way back to the month of April, even the month of March, further on to January 2023, you notice that the lows in the month of July were the lowest lows of this year, and that's the 12-month low. You can go check that out for yourself, don't take my word for it. So that's our drawn liquidity going into Wednesday and Thursday. And as such, as the dollar index retains its bearish stance, the weekly breaker on the US 30-year treasury bonds should be sought after for a premium pricing. And I have that noted right here. It's not new to us. We've heard of this price level in the weekly market reviews. We are still focusing on that. And should you need my prompt on this, we have a fair value gap right below us on the treasury bond market. We can reach down into that, then seek for the weekly breaker. That said, I wish you good luck and good trading. See you tomorrow in the midweek market review.